I'm naming this video Secret $300,000 Skate Park because I've been looking for 30 minutes and it's all the way over there. So I don't know if there's a path to go there. This just took me, I lapped this park 3 or 4 times, but I think there's a path over here. I'm gonna try. If not, we're taking that dirt road. All right, this is the new Cates Creek Skate Park. This would be my second local. When I mean second, I mean the second furthest. Chapel Hill, the wooden park that you usually see, is my closest park. And this brand new park that costs $300,000, I did research, is my new next local or second local. It's a full concrete park, which is really rare. The only other concrete park that I know of that's pretty close that I ride often is Apex. But look at this park. This park is really good for lines. There's a ton of quarter pipes and the coping doesn't stick out too much, but it sticks out just the right amount where you can lock in really nice. There's a lot of big quarter pipes, there's small ones so you can play around, practice, and then go in at the same time. There's a few rails, a few banks, a few pyramids, and there's no shade, which sucks, but we'll try to make it work, try to get a session here fast before it gets way too hot. And this park is a lot bigger than what it looked like in photos. This is your first time here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I live like 15 minutes away.
So is this your local park?
Yeah, pretty much.
Not bad for a local park then, eh? This is nuts because $300K in New York would literally get you a kicker in the middle of a basketball court. But in North Carolina, you get a full-on skate plaza. Since it's really hot, I'm trying to schedule myself for today's session, and we'll hit each spot going from right to left, starting with this A-frame. One thing about this park, nothing's really waxed. I tried this rail before and it's stuck. I'll try it again. Yep, a lot of the coping will slide because there's paint on it already. This looks super fun. So once we get to the left side of the skate park, they got this half pipe, quarter hump, bigger quarter. This section is looking like it's gonna be my favorite. Kicky back? Oh, kickless?
Yeah, like this and then.
Like one of these? This park is sick. This is Cate Creek Skate Park in Hillsborough, North Carolina. $300,000. This would not get you this in New York. And I like it because it's for everybody. If you want big quarter pipes, you got 1, 2, 3, this whole section. And then the mini side, you have a little 2-foot quarter pipe, then like a 3-foot mini, bunch of rails. There's just a long pyramid over there with ledge rail. It's good. This actually could be my favorite part, but it's usually hard to really enjoy something being your first time here because you need to learn the lines and figure out where to go, and then you'll start building your rhythm, building your style in the park, and then maybe I'll like it more than my local park. What's your name again? Paul. Okay. We're gonna do a 5-minute tutorial. Actually, we're gonna do a 10-second tutorial. Okay, now you can rotate the scooter and you almost landed on flat. So imagine off the ramp, it should be easier. This one's definitely mellower, so this would be step 1 for sure. Dude. But I got something I wanna try. I wanna see if I can go bar manual from that quarter pipe, make it onto this pad thing, manual all the way to here, pull back, fakie manual. But before I pull back, do at least 2 or 3 bar spins, then come back, fakie manual, and then into this half pipe with a whip or something. want to try on a scoot now? Yeah, you go for it. I'm gonna take a break, so all you.